Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, info products and training courses that generally help you elevate your business to the next level. If making money online is your intention, on my channel I try my best to bring out programs and products that will help you, digital software products that will help you make money online. Today I have another amazing software product called Signex. Signex is going live on the 3rd of July 2022 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and this product is being launched by the super affiliate Mbadiwe and his partners. And of course, in a nutshell, it's a loophole that was discovered on the Forex market, which has the volume of daily $6.6 trillion on daily basis. I have been participating in the Forex deals for some time now, and is a beneficiary of some of these compensation systems, knowing that whether good or bad, the Forex trade goes 6.6 trillion on daily basis, and this loophole, as discovered by the vendor, has made money for some people and for himself. And also you can also replicate using this very amazing software product called Signex. And if as such this is one product you're going to require, I will encourage you to use the first link below in my description area. That link will definitely give you access to this very sales page where we are right now. And of course, if you stick with me, you will be able to definitely see that you make use of this one. Okay, if you stick with me, I will also show you through my amazing bonuses, which I have sort of lined up for you, so that it will sort of replicate the results you get from here. I have tools that are up to 1,000 in number that will help you do digital marketing from scratch to finish. If you sit with me, I'll show you that. And of course, this is the members area for this one, dashboard area, where you will be able to make use of the training here to set this one up for yourself and see if you can make money using the Forex trading that has the volume of 6.6 trillion on daily basis. So it's for me, I think one good one, because no matter what goes on in the world, no matter how bad the economies are, the Forex market, which is where you have the foreign exchange taking place, whatever you buy with your card anywhere on earth, there is an exchange that goes around that, and this loopholes discovers how to sort of make money from such a loophole on the Forex market. Okay, so that's basically what this one is all about. And then of course, like I told you, I will go ahead to show you the amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you. My first bonus for you under this very Signex product is called Latitude. Latitude is a product that was launched by my mentor Jonah Armstrong some time ago, and it's a unique beginner-friendly spin on push-button profits, where you can just make money by pushing some buttons. So Latitude is a software that sold so much, and of course you will be able to. It has to do with actually the NFTs and the crypto world, which is ruling actually the world now. NFTs is one place a lot of people are making money, and this very Latitude is going to teach you how to sort of leverage the NFTs to make money using other loopholes, which will combine with this very Signex product to bring out the best for you. Now, my bonus number 2 will be, I have loads of them for you today. Twitex. Twitex is gives you information on how you can crack the Twitter traffic, because Twitter is a little used traffic source that people overlook, but this very product is going to help you use Google extension to actually get this work for you, so that you can sort of siphon and transfer some of the traffic, free buyer traffic, from Twitter to your own marketplace. Okay, now my bonus number 3 will be how to insurgency, which is how to master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing. Facebook ads is very good. Yes, it's on the rise. The cost is on the rise, but if you master how to do it, there are ways you can cut the cost and be able to make money, driving very good buyer traffic to your offers from 2.14 billion users that are always on Facebook. Now, my bonus number 3 or 4, I guess, will be let's see, Lazy Traffic Sniper. This is another traffic product that will actually drive traffic to this very Signex product. It's a traffic super lazy product that will give you one setup, will help you make money, because traffic is everything. Even if the Signex we are talking about, somehow it is linked with traffic. Everything is traffic as long as making money online is concerned. Now, my bonus number 5 will be JavaScript commission board, and this gives you information on how you can make 4-figure daily commissions using the very bot that this very instrument offers. And it's a crazy software that was launched and is still selling till today, and I'm giving this to you free of charge. My bonus number 6 will be how to lockdown formula, which gives you exactly how to start and scale digital marketing. This is a product that was launched by Jonah Armstrong and Dawood Islam. That was during the 2020 coronavirus lockdown, and this very one has made people millions. Millionaires have been made using this product, because it was at the time when a lot of people, almost everybody, was locked down at home, and people began to learn how to make money online, and this product was very instrumental in making that come to pass for such people. Now you have it free of charge from me. Now my bonus number 7 will be the commission toolbox. This is a crazy one. This is the one that will give you over 1,000 different marketing tools on PDF, links, URL links that will teach you how to make money. If you really need to make money online with these 1,000 digital tools, you will definitely be able to have access to mastering not only the skills but the act of making money online. So that's basically what you will do. And when eventually you access this product, when you purchase this product on the sales page using the link in my description area, definitely that link will bring you to the very links that will give you access to the product itself. And let me show you one of the, this is one of the links that you will be able to get to actually get this one going. If you click here, it will take you to my Water Plus account, where you will be able to purchase this product. After purchase, under your purchase history, you will find a page that looks exactly like this, where you have 2 buttons. The first one gives you access to the purchase of Signex as a product. And here you have this blue one giving you access to the amazing bonuses that I have just shown you. And all this will be waiting for you on my Warrior Plus account, where you use any of these links located on the sales page to actually check out on this. Okay. Now, let us very much see the members area and see what this one is all about. Now, here you have the training section, which is going to train you. I think the link is not active yet, but definitely the vendor is working on it, because this product is going live on the 3rd and today is the 2nd. So this training will be clickable, and you'll be able to make use of the training. This is the very dashboard you are going to meet as a member once you purchase this one, and then that will definitely teach you how to get this one going for yourself, and you'll be able to make money with this very one. Okay, so I am very excited to do this, coming from Billy there, and it's up to you now to know if you want to leverage the internet, and of course leverage the $6.6 trillion market, a place called the Forex marketing, that you will be able to use this loophole to make money. Using any of these things shown here, you will be able to see exactly what is made and how popular these conversion policies and strategies are making money for the beta testers of this product. So that is basically what you have with the members area. Now let us scroll through the sales page and see if we can make use of the information we have there, which I believe at your convenience you will be able to go through and see for yourself if this is going to be for you. But when you make up your mind, definitely remember to use the link on my description area, and that will definitely bring you close to this very sales page, where you will be able to use 3 different steps to get money made for yourself on this one. So it's basically a crazy little hack and loophole that has been leveraging making money online. So this is where you get the link. When you get to the very page, the sales page where we are right now, you'll be able to use that link to actually get making money online, as the very creator Billy there has said, and you will be able to get yourself all the information you need. If making up your mind is a problem, I think with this sales page you will be able to see what you stand to gain with this one. Now, with that said, Here are the amazing bonuses from the very vendor himself. Bonus number 1 from the vendor will be get results in the first 10 minutes. And bonus number 2 will be 3 ways the bank fast with Signex. Bonus number 3 will be all their previous apps ever created. And bonus number 4 will be 2022 cash kits. Bonus number 5 will be how they scale Signex to 10K per month. So that's basically what you have as long as the sales page is concerned. Now let us run through the very bonuses that I have for you. Bonus number 7, the commission toolbox, a crazy 1,000 digital tools that will help you make money. And down, bonus number 6 of mine will be the lockdown formula, a software that will make use of making money online. And bonus number 5 from me should be JavaScript commission board. Bonus number 4 will be how to lazy traffic sniper. And bonus number 3 will be insurgency, which is another software. And then you have TweetX. And of course, the first bonus is the latitude that combines with this Signex to help you make money online. And this is basically where we are going to come to the end of this very amazing product review from Signex by Mbadiwe. And if you are new to my channel or you are a returning customer, I will encourage you at this time that it will please me if you like, subscribe to my channel. If you have anything, you can put a comment down in the comment section, and of course use the bell button for notifications, and I will be back to you in my next review. Till then, this is your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com coming to you as always from here, and from me from here is goodbye.